Clifdesigns' LPU series is designed to perfectly resolve all major problems, such as the yellowing of film, cracks on the surface of lights, and reduced brightness. The LPU series is strongly resilient against yellowing, while fully allowing the emission of light and heat, making it ideal for use on headlights for an extended period of time. Available in 3 colors, light blue, black, and purple, the series is the easiest solution to enhance the value of your car.